Hi, Mike. I just the other day took some Tribal Max over to my friend's house next door and put it in his probably 5 to 10-year-old Corolla. It has a 1.8-liter twin cam in it, and there was a lot of valve train noise. And after it had been running for about 5 minutes, we couldn't hear anything. And we thought we were hallucinating. I asked him, I said, am I hearing things? The only thing that we could hear was the sound of the electronic solenoid on the injectors. That was the only sound coming from the injection. The valve train noise had completely disappeared. I haven't seen him to ask him what was the power increase, but I'll be doing that. I'll be seeing him tomorrow, so I'm going to ask him about that. I'm sure there's the big difference in it. He obviously hadn't been really servicing it a lot, and this completely reversed that. Excellent results. Supreme product.